Next, the dash part of the earth is known as lithosphere. Now which part of the earth is known as lithosphere? Now can you tell me what is lithosphere? Lithosphere, it means solid substance, rocks, mountains, okay, all the landforms, all the solid substance comes in what? Lithosphere. So here what we will write, the solid part of the earth is known as lithosphere. Now molten state in the interior of the earth is known as, now I told you that in the interior of the earth also some kinds of rocks are present, and that rocks are in the form of fireballs, right? So that is what you know, that is magma, okay, in the interior of the earth, okay. These are what? These are molten state, molten rocks also we can say, okay. So that is what? Magma, okay. Now next, oceans contain about -% of water. Now you know oceans, okay, oceans contain 97% of water. How many percent of water? 97% of water, okay. Now atmosphere contains -% of nitrogen. Now in our atmosphere different gases are present, okay, all have that different percentage, okay. Oxygen 21%, while nitrogen 78%, and 1% of other gases are present in our atmosphere, okay. Now dash gas comprises of a small proportion of air. Now these gases are in very small proportion, okay. Which gas is? Ozone gas. Which ozone gas comprises of small proportion of air. Now the process of cooling of vapor is called, now have you learned about the we can say formation, the water vapor? Have you learned about vapor? Now what is vapor? Now do you know the process of cooling down of water? Okay, when the water cools down, you can see the dewdrops or some kind of water on it, right? So that is what, that process is what? Condensation. In science you might have learned about evaporation, okay, and condensation. Now condensation means when just for example, if you are boiling a water, okay, if you are boiling a water, so after boiling it, that boiling process is evaporation, okay. After boiling it, if you are taking time to cool it down, okay, after that what happened, you will see some kind of vapors on it, some kind of dots on the utensils, okay. That is what, that is the process of condensation. The water is cooling down, okay. Now next, dash is here in the presence of atmosphere. Now if atmosphere is there, the satellite is possible. Satellite is possible, then the radios and telecast is possible. So what is here with the help of atmosphere? Sound. What? Sound, okay.